afternoon. This is Christian Fautz at the Fautz Group with MVP Realty. Today we're sitting in our conference room. We're happy. We had a closing yesterday afternoon. Louise, my client over here, first-time home buyer, and we just want to talk a little bit about the transaction and how it went in today's crazy market here we're seeing in Southwest Florida. So Louise came to me on another property that I had actually listed, which was actually my property. It was a fix and flip property, and he came to me and wasn't a right fit for him. But I said, listen, I can work with you. I'll help you find the right home. I know this marketplace. And so the search began. So we started looking in different neighborhoods in Fort Myers. We went out to Lehigh Acres as well, and we looked at a bunch of different properties. We put in, I think, about 3 or 4 offers, right?
I think more like 4 or 5, yeah.
Yeah. So we put in a bunch of offers, and we are ecstatic that the one that he closed on yesterday, obviously, it got accepted. So it was a perfect fit for him. Things happen for a reason. And I'm going to let Louise just talk a little bit about, how working together and the process that we went through.
Well, my story is pretty unique because I started working with a Miami realtor. And when I saw how competitive this market was, I said, nah, I can't deal with Miami realtors here. I got to find somebody that knows the area.
That's right.
That's well connected and knows, how this market works. So, I reached out to Christian, at 3529 South Street.
Yep, the open house, yep.
Yeah, and we met there.
Yeah.
I was, a lot of them, I was qualified for a certain amount, and whatnot, and it was very challenging. People were bidding 20, 30,000 over the asking price. I didn't want to go on those bidding wars, but eventually this property popped up and it worked great.
Yeah, it was the right fit for him. One of the things too that Louise was looking for, he has a side business.
Right.
So he needed a room. He does records.
Records, right?
Yeah, so he needed a room that was air conditioned so that he could keep his collection.
I can't have them all over the living room, bedroom.
Exactly. So when we found this property and we got the offer accepted, at that point then we had to move quickly on it. I got him an inspection company that I do a lot of inspections with, who did a great job. And a lot of these older homes, there's issues with them. And of course there were a bunch of smaller things and there were a few other bigger items. So I went back and negotiated for Louise's behalf, and I got the purchase price. Rather than give us a credit, they wanted to lower the purchase price.
You played the cards right. That was pretty.
So we got it down $4,000. Yeah, we got it down $4,000. Yeah, so we got the purchase price down $4,000 at the end. It was definitely a team effort working with the lender that you had and making sure we get the appraisal and everything.
The FHA requirements, the documentation, the paperwork, the paper trail. It was quite a challenge. And the good thing was too, that property passed inspection pretty fast, which is
good. It did. So it was I really enjoyed working with Louise. He's a first-time home buyer. This is his first house.
Thank you for your patience.
And I'm so excited that we got it done.
Yeah. You were very patient and you worked with me 100%. I'm very grateful for that.
Good. I enjoyed it.